First topic is circuit breaker. In circuit breaker, I discussed in properties of arc. Properties of arc is modeled in using non-linear resistance. So arc is having negative temperature coefficients. So temperature is increase, resistance is decrease, and current is increase, temperature is increase, resistance is decrease. So arc voltage is equal to arc current into arc resistance. Arc current is increase, arc resistance is decrease. So this product is constant. Arc voltage is equal to constant. Heat generation is directly proportional to the area cross section of the arc. This is the very important. There PSS is asking one more bit. Method of quenching. High resistance method and low resistance method. High resistance method are using AC current and DC current. Both are using. So they are preferred AC current and DC current. Low resistance method, they are only preferred in only AC current. That because of size of the high resistance method, size of the circuit breaker is large. Size of the circuit breaker is large. In size of the circuit breaker is less. Recovery voltage. In power frequency voltage appearing across the circuit breaker contact after complete quenching of arc. It is expressed as RMS in phase. It is expressed as RMS value in phase. For example, 132 kV 3-phase oil circuit breaker and 50 Hz frequency, and calculate the recovery voltage. So how to find this problem? So it is expressed as RMS value in phase. So how there? So solution is 132 divided by root 3 kilovolts. This is the recovery voltage. Next is active recovery voltage. Active recovery voltage is directly proportional to the maximum voltage into sin phi. So if proportionality is removed, active recovery voltage is equal to K1 K2 Vm maximum voltage by sin phi. So K1 is represented the armature of reaction. Effect of armature of reaction. And K2 is their fault is occurring. So one is for ground fault, and next one is 1.5 is for ungrounded fault. What is the ground fault? LG, LLG, triple L, G. Ungrounded fault is double L, triple L. Restricting voltage. Restricting voltage is arc into active recovery voltage. 1 minus cos T by root LC. This is the in units is volts. This is the restricting voltage. And condition for maximum restricting voltage. Maximum restricting voltage to be cos T by root LC is equal to 1. So T by root LC is equal to cos pi. This is minus 1. So T is equal to pi into root LC. This is units is seconds. So restricting voltage in maximum is equal to active recovery voltage 1 minus cos T is replaced by pi root LC. So pi root LC by root LC. So root LC cos pi minus 1. Minus into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 into active recovery voltage. Restricting voltage maximum is equal to 2 into active recovery voltage. In diagrammatic, show this is the time and active recovery voltage. So restricting voltage, their T is increasing 0 to this what pi into pi root maximum, pi into root LC, time period what maximum 2 into active recovery voltage. In active recovery voltage pi in 2 pi root LC is decreasing in 0, 2 pi root LC. So again is 0 condition. This is the time period of waveform. In take the time period is T is equal to 2 pi root LC. Natural frequency of oscillation is Fn is equal to 1 by time period TP. Time period. So Fn is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. This is the natural frequency of oscillation. Rate of rise of restricting voltage. So average of rate of rise of restricting voltage is rate of rise of restricting voltage is equal to 2 into active recovery voltage by pi into root LC. This is unit is volt per second. Resistance of switching. Resistance of switching is R is equal to half into square root of L by C. This is the critical damped stage. This is no oscillation. So, and then resistance of is less than the half into root L by C. This is overdamped. Is taken more time. So this is not preferred. R is greater than the half square root of L by C. This is under damped. So this is oscillation but not preferred. But most of the in circuit breaker preferred is critical damped. Last one formula is making current is equal to 2.55 into symmetrical braking current. This is the important of the formula on revision of the circuit breaker. I discussed questions, so many questions in next